ready to inject some life into your animations. Let's learn how to create a realistic snake animation in Adobe Animate in just a minute and a half. First, create a new project in Adobe Animate. Choose the appropriate size and frame rate for your animation. I am going with the standard Full HD settings. Now, using the brush tool, draw the head of your snake. Make it as detailed or as simple as you like. This will be the starting point of our snake. Next, create the body. Draw multiple segments connecting to the snake's head. Make each segment slightly curved to give the snake a more natural look. The more segments, the smoother your snake will look. Select each segment and convert it to a symbol. This will allow us to manipulate each part of the snake individually for a smoother animation. You can do this by pressing F8 while having a segment selected. Now for the magic, select the bone tool and create a bone structure linking all of the snake body segments. Start from the head and go all the way to the tail. This creates inverse kinematics, giving your snake that realistic slithering motion. Insert a new keyframe every few frames, then reposition the snake's body using the bone structure, creating a fluid, serpentine movement across your canvas. Fine-tune your animation by adjusting the easing of the keyframes. This will make the movement look more organic and less robotic. Experiment with different ease values to achieve the desired effect. And that's it. With a little practice, you'll be animating mesmerizing snake movements in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more animation tutorials.